Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by organizing and creating the right sequence so sync is reliable. Import all camera and recorder files and place matching clips into labeled bins. This reduces confusion. Create a sequence that matches your primary camera's frame rate and resolution. Mismatch settings cause drift. Once done, enable audio waveforms and timecode overlays so you can visually compare peaks and markers. Make sure clips have consistent sample rates. If not, right-click and interpret footage. This preparation speeds the actual sync step. Now you perform the sync itself using merge clips or the timeline synchronize command. Select audio as the reference and pick the correct channel alignment. You'll see waveforms align. If the automatic result is off, zoom into the timeline and nudge clips by frames or slip clip audio until peaks match precisely. Use multiple sync references, slate, clap, or a spoken word, so you avoid relying on a single transient. Remember to nest merged clips or create multi-camera sequences for easier editing once synced. Finish by locking or duplicating your synced clips so edits don't break alignment. Relink media if file paths change and reconfirm timecode sync. Render audio-heavy sections and play back at real-time speed to validate lip sync across the edit. If you notice gradual drift, recheck clip frame rates and sample rates. Mismatches often cause slow desync. Then reinterpret footage or run a dedicated tool like Plural Eyes, or perform manual alignment using recurring sync points to correct drift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.